Emily, what do you want for breakfast?
Peas.
You want peas?
Peas.
You want peas for breakfast? Do you want toast? Do you want cereal? Do you want peas? Whee! You're so big, look at you. Steady go. I'm gonna make you peas and toast for breakfast. A kitty. Meow. What's the kitty say? Kiki 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 kiki. Kiki 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 kiki. Stop. Kiki 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 kiki. Stop. Yay! You know stop now. Kiki 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 kiki. Stop. You're funny. Ha ha. Get your belly, 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 belly.